Hello, friends. Welcome to a guided meditation by Mindful Ideas. Let's take this time to check in with our minds. Like washing the dishes or taking out the trash, have you cleaned your mind today? Let's refresh our spirits and clear away the clutter. Repeat after me. Today, I choose to win. Today, I am open to new opportunities. I relax my body with each breath. I let go of any tension, allowing my muscles to soften and my mind to calm. I am focusing on the present moment, embracing the now. This peaceful place is where I find my true self. I am here. I am safe. I am grounded in this moment, connected to the earth and the air around me. I will now reinforce a strong, positive mindset. This is my truth. These affirmations are the seeds I plant in my mind, and I will nurture them with care and attention. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am worthy of love and happiness. I believe in myself and my abilities. I believe in myself and my abilities. I approve myself just as I am. I approve myself just as I am. I am smart and capable. I am smart and capable. I am resilient and strong. I am resilient and strong. I am filled with gratitude and joy. I am filled with gratitude and joy. I attract positive energy and opportunities into my life. I attract positive energy and opportunities into my life. I embrace challenges with confidence. I embrace challenges with confidence. I will learn from my mistakes. I will learn from my mistakes. I have the power to change. I have the power to change. I will never give up. I will never give up. I will achieve my goals and live my dreams. I will achieve my goals and live my dreams. As I breathe in, I visualize positive energy flowing into me, filling every part of my being with light and strength. I am recharging and repairing my spirit, restoring my inner balance. As I exhale, I wash away any old, unpleasant, or negative thoughts that stress and bother me. I release them, watching them dissolve and disappear. As I breathe in, I let thoughts and feelings enter my mind without judgment. I welcome them, acknowledging their presence without attachment. As I exhale, I watch them drift away, like leaves flying in the wind. My mind is a swinging door. Thoughts come in and thoughts go out. I remain at peace. I allow each moment to pass through without attachment to any outcome. It is our destiny to experience the universe. I will remember that my peace is always within my power. No matter what happens around me, I can return to this state of calm and clarity. I will have a beautiful day.